Hello everyone, this is Carlos the Tutor back with another video. Before I start this video on polynomials, I just want to remind you guys to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's keep blowing the Carlos the Tutor channel up. So polynomials, what are they? This is what we're going to talk about today. So polynomials, the word polynomial comes from Greek and poly means many. So polynomial has many parts. So let's say, for example, if I have a polynomial in the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c, I know that this is going to be a parabola based off of the x squared term, right? So this is the strongest term, the x squared term, and this is going to describe the behavior of this whole polynomial. So it'll looks like this. If this would look like this, if b equals 0, c equals 0, and a equals 1. So I just have y equals x squared. Done. So a few quick tips on how we can factor a polynomial. Let's say, for example, if a equals 1. I'm just going to go over the product sum method. So let's say, for example, if a equals 1, I'm going to look at my c. So let's say if I have y equals x squared plus bx plus c, I'm going to look at my c. Let me color this c purple. I'm going to look at my c and look at what two numbers multiply to c and add the same two numbers, add or subtract to b. So this is what I have. So let's say, for example, if I have y equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. What I'm going to be thinking is, okay, first of all, my c is 1. That's something that I can see, pun intended, from this polynomial. From this one, not that one. So c equals 1. So now I'm going to think, what two numbers multiply to 1 and add or subtract to 2? Well, 1 times 1 gives me 1. That's some hard math right there. And then 1 plus 1 equals 2. So then I have my two numbers. The two numbers I'm going to use are 1 and 1. So now I have y equals x squared plus 1x plus 1x plus 1. I'm expanding the middle term, by the way. I'm not writing it in fully factored form just yet. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor this out a bit more. So the biggest term that I can pull out from the first two is x. And then the biggest term that the greatest common factor of the second two terms, x and 1, is 1. And what do you know? I have y equals x plus 1 times x plus 1, which is x plus 1 squared. So this was a polynomial quick tips video. If a equals 1, you can use product sum method to try to see if you can find what two numbers multiply to c and add or subtract to b. Carlos Tutor signing out. I'll be back with more videos soon.